Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing one clear purpose so your message stays focused. Once decided, identify the recipient and the appropriate tone. Make sure to collect key details, names, dates, events that prove you remember specifics. Start writing a one-sentence summary of your intent to guide every paragraph that follows. This keeps you concise and prevents rambling. Once you have that sentence and facts, draft a simple opening that establishes connection and states purpose immediately. You now build the middle. Create an opening that quickly reestablishes rapport, then use 2-3 paragraphs to explain details and rationale. Explain why each point matters to the recipient and support it with a specific example. This shows sincerity and credibility. Make a clear request or outline next steps so the reader knows what you want them to do. Once done, read aloud to check voice and pacing. Adjust words to sound natural, not formal for formality's sake. You finish by writing a concise closing that restates the main action and offers appreciation or help. Include contact details if needed. Then edit in 2 passes, one for clarity and tone, another for mechanics, names, dates, commas. Read aloud to catch awkward phrasing and ensure the cadence feels human. If the recipient reacts badly or you worry about tone, simplify to one main point, apologize briefly if needed, and resend a corrected version after a short.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.